Sunshine is a wonderful thing on the playground, but extended periods of play in direct sunlight without protection increases the risk of exposure to harmful UV rays, possible overheating, and dehydration. AAA State of Play has many cool ways to put protective shade between you and the sun so you can play longer and stay longer. Let's put on some shades. School shade structures are large enough and durable enough to protect kids and adults in large play and activity areas. The fabric canopies are designed to provide protection from every angle of the sun during the middle of the day when kids are most active. This early learning center at Y has shade over 2 of our playgrounds. Looks and function go hand in hand here. Shade not only blocks the harmful rays of the sun, it also offsets the heating rays of the sun by 10 to 15 degrees. Here's a structure and shade we installed in an apartment complex. As you can see, there are no mature trees or natural shade. This hip shade makes play both tolerable and comfortable. Hip shades are square or rectangular, supported by 4 poles solidly anchored in the ground. Another huge advantage of shades is they help protect equipment from the sun, keeping it cooler and comfortable for the kids. Here's a unique sail shade structure we installed over a school play area. Not only is it functional, it's also beautiful. This early learning center has a swing structure designed with its own shade. The single post swing with shade can be configured with 2 seats, this one has 6, and as many as 8. Most umbrella shades are supported by a single post in the center. They're perfect cover for smaller areas. They come in several shapes and sizes and are extremely versatile and customizable. Here's an umbrella shade we installed, not your typical umbrella. It covers the outdoor concession area for a country club pool. It's protection and cooling shelter for scores of employees, swimmers, and loungers. Cantilever shades have fewer parts and less obstruction, perfect cover for outdoor seating areas, concessions, businesses, and entrances. This dog park we built includes a perfect rest spot for rovers and their humans. The arch fabric shade pairs with many benches. Whatever kind of shade you get, consider those times you want to replace or remove it in case of a strong storm or winter weather. Shades with glide elbows will be your best friend. Since shade fabric must be pulled tight, doing it by hand is not easy or fast. The glide elbow has a fabric hook with a cable guide inside that holds the shade in place. A drive nut at the end of the pole can be loosened or tightened to tense or release the fabric. Cooler, comfortable, safer from sunburn. Shades from AAA will keep you triple covered.